Hello and welcome from Belém, Brazil, at COP30. We're here at the World Nuclear Association's Net Zero Nuclear Pavilion, and we're here to advocate nuclear energy as part of a clean energy transition. It is a pleasure to welcome Malgosia Rybak, Energy Policy Director at CEPI, the European Association representing the paper and pulp industry.
Thank you. Thank you for the invitation.
So thank you so much for joining us today. It'd be wonderful if you could just introduce yourself and just tell me a little bit about your work and the work of the association.
So, as you said, we're representing the pulp and paper industry in Europe. It's 19 countries, and many people think that it's mostly the Nordic countries, but in reality, we have a vast range from Portugal, Spain, through Poland and Germany up to the Nordic countries. And what it means that our members have different energy needs. They are faced with different challenges with decarbonizing. And a big piece of my work is actually working on the emission trading system. We're one of the energy intensive industries, and that has consequences. But what we're really excited about is the bioeconomy.
Okay, thank you. And it's great to be here. And obviously, there's so much going on here at COP30. But it's also a real pivotal moment in terms of the global climate action and governance. And what are your expectations for the outcomes of COP30 from your perspective and for your members?
We've seen a lot of exciting initiatives being launched when it comes to phasing out fossil fuels, when it comes to nuclear energy. But what we're really excited about is actually the launch of the Bioeconomy Challenge. So the Brazilian government is very dedicated to make sure that the vision for the bioeconomy is put into implementable actions. And this is a process that is going to take 3 years, and we're very looking forward to the outcomes.
It's great to hear. We've been speaking to many people throughout the last kind of couple of days and last week around what they're looking for out of COP30, and it's a real diverse mix. So thank you very much for sharing that. So onto the sort of tripling declaration. We're 2 years on from the momentous moment in COP28, where countries came together to sign the declaration to triple global nuclear energy capacity by 2050, and along with a number of industry and energy users as well to sort of support that commitment. We've obviously since then seen real noticeable shifts. We've seen additional countries join the declaration. We now have 33. We've seen additional financial institutions join the statement of support, and obviously continuing support from energy users. Now, obviously, you represent the energy intensive industries like pulp and paper. And how do you interpret the global commitment to tripling in order to decarbonize operations across Europe?
Yeah, so we spoke about it on Monday a little bit, that as an energy intensive industry, one of our key struggles is the energy price in Europe. We're still losing our competitiveness because of the energy price, which is 2-3 times higher than in other regions in Europe. And in order to lower the price, one of the solutions is really to invest in fossil-free sources, such as nuclear. And in this way, the initiative to triple nuclear capacity globally, but also in Europe, you have Czech Republic, Poland, Hungary, France, Finland, Sweden committing to that initiative. This is quite encouraging to see.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, and it was a valuable conversation.